Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard template Angular 20. Here is a Angular 20 version. See, Angular 20. Fully responsive and totally free of course. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the beautiful admin dashboard template look. See, just beautiful. The toggle sidebar works well. The view navigation as well. Menu levels, the multi levels navigation. See, works well. Close it and search, view toggles, notifications, user toggles, and the settings as well. With dark view, see the light and dark works well. Others see the colors as well. Changes, see, just beautiful. The sidebar caption as well, see. The layout width as well. Great. So guys, see the settings as well. And responsive, I will show you. See, it's fully responsive. Will work for all the devices. See friends, the toggle sidebar as well will work for all the devices. See friends, and if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. In this blog, you will get contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer, you can hire me on hourly basis. Also, on my blog, you will get multiple free things as well. See, for Angular, React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap, and thousands of free admin dashboards as well. Here we go. See, multiple admin dashboard templates as well. And guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.